Hello and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week, ending March 8th, all three of the major indexes declined as investors took a breath and assessed the direction of the market and our economy. The ISM Services Index, which shows economic trends in the services sector, was slightly weaker than expected but still in expansion territory. Job openings were revised down by 137,000 to 8.9 million, while the number of hires was revised up by 166,000 to 53.8 million. The U.S. trade deficit was almost $4 billion higher than expected, at $67.4 billion in January, as imports increased more than exports. Employment came in higher than expected, up 275,000 jobs. However, January's number of 353,000 was revised down to 229,000, and December's number of 333,000 was revised down to 290,000. And the unemployment rate for February came in higher at 3.9% compared to a rate of 3.7% in January. Year to date, the Dow is up 2.7%, the S&P is up 7.4%, and the Nasdaq is up 7.1%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 4.08%. Oil closed at $78.06 a barrel. Gold closed up at $2,176.50 an ounce, with silver also closing up at $24.29 an ounce. For this week of March 11th, Tuesday we'll get the Consumer Price Index, or CPI, Core CPI, which excludes food and energy, and the monthly budget. CPI measures the average change in prices that people pay for goods and services. Thursday, initial jobless claims, retail sales, the Producer Price Index, or PPI, and Core PPI will be reported. PPI measures the average change over time in the selling prices that producers receive for their output. It is a measure of inflation on the wholesale level. And on Friday, the Import Price Index, industrial production, capacity utilization, and consumer sentiment all will be reported. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. If you have any questions with anything you've heard in this video, or would like to schedule a complimentary review of your portfolio, please give us a call. We are accepting new clients. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.